Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty 6. To begin, you'll want to understand the fundamental game modes like Team Deathmatch and Domination, each offering distinct objectives. Next, spend a few minutes in the tutorial or a private match to master basic movement, aiming, and shooting mechanics. Finally, select a balanced starting loadout, perhaps an assault rifle and a submachine gun, to adapt to various combat situations. Mastering core mechanics is crucial for success. Practice aiming down sights for precision at longer ranges and use hip firing for close quarters combat, especially within 5 meters. Always seek cover behind walls or objects to reduce your exposure to enemy fire by up to 70%. Pay close attention to your minimap. Red dots indicate enemy presence, giving you a tactical advantage. To elevate your game, focus on advanced strategies and teamwork. Effective communication with your squad, whether through voice chat or quick pings, can significantly improve your chances of success, especially in objective modes. Always prioritize the objective. Capturing and holding points in domination, for example, earns more points than simply getting kills. Be flexible and adjust your loadout and approach based on the map's layout and the enemy's tactics. Optimizing your loadouts and perks is key to personalizing your gameplay. Try out various weapon classes, from powerful shotguns for close range to precise sniper rifles for long distances, to discover what suits you best. Choose perks like Scavenger to resupply ammunition or Ghost to remain undetected by enemy UAVs, enhancing your chosen role. Customize attachments such as scopes for improved accuracy or extended magazines for more bullets per clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.